Good morning. We will begin by examining the case of the missing homework sheet. This presentation is designed to analyze a common communication breakdown using a simple, relatable story to illustrate key principles and challenges in human interaction. Let us now set the scene for our analysis. We will observe an everyday classroom scenario as it unfolds. This familiar setting provides the backdrop for the communication conflict that we are about to explore in greater detail. At the outset, we are presented with conflicting initial accounts. The teacher's assertion is one of confidence, recalling the distribution of a sheet to every student in the row. This is met with the student's firm denial, who claims no sheet was ever received and points to an empty backpack. This establishes a memory discrepancy where both parties sincerely believe their personal recollection is accurate. The disagreement continues with persistent claims and counter-questions. The teacher challenges the student, probing about the possibility of losing the sheet after receiving it. In response, the student offers a counter-accusation, suggesting the teacher might have overlooked them during the distribution process. This leads to a heightened sense of certainty, where each individual maintains a steadfast conviction in their own version of events. Finally, the teacher proposes an unexpected location for further investigation. This suggestion leads to an unexpected discovery. The student shows reluctance at first, dismissing the idea of checking such an improbable spot. However, this is where the reveal occurs. The missing homework sheet is ultimately located under the student's chair. The student then offers a humorous explanation, attributing the misplacement to sneaky gravity, and in doing so, acknowledges the oversight. This anecdote provides several key takeaways on communication. First, our initial assumptions can often be misleading and drive early disagreements. Second, it highlights that active inquiry is essential for moving beyond subjective claims to uncover factual truth. We also see how confirmation bias works, as individuals tend to prioritize information that supports their existing beliefs. Finally, it underscores the important role of objective evidence in effectively resolving disputes based on subjective memory. To conclude, let's consider how to foster clearer interactions based on these lessons. We should encourage openness, creating an environment where individuals feel safe to admit their errors. It is also vital to verify facts, always seeking tangible proof or shared understanding when conflicts arise. Finally, we must practice empathy in dialogue, making an effort to understand different perspectives before reaching a conclusion.